I'm gonna go to do not chart, a new visual. And I wanna have from the project information, I wanna have the time elapsed and time remaining percentage. So time elapsed and time remaining percentage. I can add more if I want, if the situation allows, because I have space over here. Do I need legend or not? Can I format it? What text, like the text size and the font, title? If I can add a new title. Do I? It's really straightforward. Okay, here's something I want to talk about. What if I want to change that? Because this is the column description from my query. I don't need to report the same column description because this column description is for my own sake, right? To help me identify things easily. But maybe I want to report that as earned value and remaining a contract price, whatever I want. I can go here to the visual and double click. And this is the time elapsed percentage, for example. And I'm gonna change that as well, time remaining. I can change it to contract time or contract duration percent, whatever you want. You can change the description from here. The good thing is whatever changes you have just made will apply to this visualization only. If these fields are used in other visualizations, the changes will not take effect, which is great, right? You only make the changes to this visualization. You don't have to go to the query and change the column description to fit a specific visualization needs. You can always do that. And the description of the columns will remain unaffected. I can choose maybe bottom center. This actually, I want to configure that as a percentage. Percentages. Because right now the actual value in my query is decimal, and because it's a do not chart, so do not chart by default will reflect the percentages. It will report the values in terms of percentages because this is what a do not chart is does by default.